Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report chart analysis videos on Friday the 22nd of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. We're going to look at dollar yen now, and we have finally seen a sell signal. We've had this strong rally which actually went almost 750 ticks from 100 spot 002 I've got on my chart to 107.47, almost 750 ticks. However, you then saw a sharp intraday correction yesterday on the back of those comments or the interview with Karuda, which, although was a month old, it still had an impact of selling down dollar yen and the yen strengthening. That has had an impact on this chart. You've seen the crossover sell signal on the stochastics. Now, as you can see, we had one back in May that then still saw a bit more of a drift higher before the confirmation move, which was back below 80, started to come through again. So I would still say that we're not yet confirmed on that sell signal. You also see in the RSI failing around 60 again, 60 spot 09 yesterday, and pulling lower. So we are starting to see these signals coming through. Now, I had been talking about 106.80 being the top of my sort of sell zone. We sort of poked above that. 107.47 obviously is through 106.80, but the closing levels were around 106.82 the previous day on Wednesday, and then subsequently that big bearish engulfing pattern. Although it is a bearish engulfing pattern that only did it by one tick, but still we had that the impetus of that move is a corrective move. So we're starting to see this this rally rolling over. Certainly stalling. It hasn't yet confirmed as a sell, big sell signal. 105.40 I think is an important level now for today. That's yesterday's low. If we start to trade decisively below that, I think that continues to add to the corrective move. But look at these MACD lines on the hourly, now below neutral. Stochastics, the RSI, having sort of previously been more positively configured, is now sort of back towards 30, and it'll be interesting to see if it fails under 60. So 105.40 is the initial support, and that was yesterday's low. I think the confirmation price move would be below 104.60, which is that low on the 15th of July. But yesterday's rally high of 106.50 is again interesting, because that came around sort of resistance band that we'd seen. 106.30 is an old pivot, but 106.50 also providing the basic resistance on the 19th. So these levels are starting to come in, and again, if that 106.50 levels remains intact today, and the market will continue to move sideways, I think that there could be some temptation to take profits on this run higher, and I think the market would look at that. So some very interesting moves on dollar yen at the moment, and we could be in the process of rolling over once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again later. Thank you.